Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. If you are new to my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are already a subscriber and watching my videos, I really thanks and appreciate you, and I'm really happy that my videos are helping you guys. So let's get started. So in this video, in my last video I have installed the Ubuntu, right, and we've successfully able to install it. So after installing the Ubuntu, there are some more steps that we need to follow to means make the Ubuntu more smooth. So for that, please keep watching my video and let's concentrate on this. So after installing the Ubuntu, this particular things will come up. So you can use the skip because I'm not going to log in any account. But if you want to connect your online account like Google Net, Nextcloud or Microsoft, you can easily connect. Otherwise, you can skip this option. So I'm skipping this option for now. Let me skip, and after that, you can use the yes and the info system info or no. I am saying that okay, that I will be fine that if I send the system info to this and click on next. I clicked on next. Just wait for a few seconds. So after that, now click on done. So maybe the Ubuntu that you have installed may require some updates. So you will get this notification like this. So it will say, and just click on the install now, and let me update the thing. It will ask for password. Enter the password of the username, that is Ubuntu, and it will install some new updates that are coming up. So let's wait for the thing to be installed. The updation of the things is really necessary, guys, because it will help you to make your system more smooth. So don't forget to update your system time to time. Ubuntu updates are really important, especially because it comes with the security packages and also some new features. So please keep updating your Ubuntu version. So let's wait for this installation or updation to be finished. Then we will install or do some more process, and after that we will install the JDK. It is setting up the Snapd. Let's wait. It is installing some network configurations also. It is updating the boot file. Let's wait for some time. So it is updating and installing the updates now. Yes, so the updates is being installed. It is asking to restart now or later. Let me restart now. So let's wait for some time to system get up after restarting. So it is starting up the Ubuntu OS. Yes, so it is started. Let me enter the password. Let me log in. So login is also successful. Now what we will do, we will install the guest edition, right? So we will install the guest edition here. So guest edition is really required if you want to run the any operating system in the VirtualBox smoothly, right? So let me install this. Let's open that particular system. Contain software to run. So it is giving us the option. Let me click on the run. It will run the particular file that required to execute the required files or to download. It is installing the additional modules which are required for the Ubuntu to be work smoothly with the VirtualBox. So I request you to follow these steps after installing the Ubuntu using the VirtualBox so that your VirtualBox and Ubuntu operating system works fine and smoothly. So let's wait for that to install. So it is installing the kernel modes and all these things. So let me start it. Okay, so it is saying please return to close the window. Press enter. So you can see now the screen is now very small, right? So now in the view option, you will be able to check the which size you want to install, right? So let me install this 102478. I think that is fine because it will be looks much better. But let me improve more, right? So I think this is fine. I can see this one and go to the full screen, go to the view option and go to the full screen mode switch. Now you can see the full screen of the Ubuntu operating system in the VirtualBox, right? So now what you have to do is that let's open the terminal first. So when we were installing the VirtualBox Guest Edition, it was saying that some GCC related things are required to be downloaded. So first of all, we need to check that if any particular systems files are required to be updated or not. So for that, enter sudo apt get update. It will require to check the update. Always, whenever you install anything new to your operating system Ubuntu, so you can just do the update, right? So just let me give few minutes so that I can do some work. So sorry for the interruption, guys. Let's get continue. So after the sudo get update, we need to use the sudo get upgrade so that if any particular update or necessary files is required to download, it will do the thing. So our system is updated. So now first we need to install those things gcc and make. So for that sudo apt get install gcc and make. After that click yes. It will install some download. It will download some libraries which are required, right? So let's download it. It will download it as much as possible. It totally depend on your internet connection speed. So I prefer you to use the good internet connection. Let's wait for this to be installed. So download is complete. Now it will be installing the packages. So you can see guys how much the Ubuntu is much easier to use if you have a practice of using the command line. So you just need to give the command and then everything will be the packages related to that particular dependencies will automatically be get downloaded. So you do not need to be worry about anything, right? So I really prefer the Ubuntu operating system if you are learning the development side. So please use the Ubuntu if possible. Otherwise, if you are using the Windows also, there is no problem. That will be also fine. But later on, when you will be getting working in the other companies, you will be seeing that we most of the companies are preferring the Ubuntu, right? So the installation is also complete. Let me check the if any particular other thing is required. Build is not there. So GCC and make was available now, right? So after that, let's check if the Java is there or not. Java is not there. Java C is also not there, right? So it is also suggesting, right? So if you see here, so Java we type, it is saying no Java is there. Java C we type, it is saying no Java is there, right? So when we run the Java command, it was saying to download the JRE, right? And when we type the command java c, that is java compile, it is suggesting to install the openjdk, that is jdk, not the JRE. You can see the difference, right? So what is the JDK and what is JRE? So JDK is basically Java Development Kit. It is required if you want to do some development on the Java side. And Java JRE is required if you want to run the Java program on your virtual machine or on your system or on your operating system, right? So if you install JDK, there is no need to separately install the JRE because JDK itself contains the JDK itself means the tools that are required for the Java development plus the JRE so that you can run those developed code onto your machine using the JRE. So if you want to install only the JRE, then you can go with this particular command, right? If you want to install the JDK, you can go with this command. So as we are here to the learning the Java development side, so we will be going to use the JDK. So let me install the JDK. So I can see here that 22 version is the latest it is showing to me. Let me copy this command. So Control Shift C and Control Shift V. So in the Ubuntu, the Control C and Control V wouldn't work like the Windows. In Ubuntu, if you want to Control C and Control V, you have to use the Control Shift C to copy and Control Shift V to paste. So now let's install the OpenJDK 22. We are using the latest version so that it can be used in other related thing like Spring Boots and other thing. Because Spring Boot that I am telling you is based on the latest version and the base of the latest version the is Java 17 at least. The minimum Java version should be 17. So Let's install the 22. Let me install that. Just enter it and click Y. Do you want to continue? Yes. So it will download all the required files for downloading the JDK and JRE. So you can see here it is downloading the Open JDK JRE headless. So first it will also download the JRE. If you want to know that what packages are going to install, it is you can see over here, right? That it will install CA certificate Java, it will install Java Common, it will install JDK, it will install JIE, right? So all these things will be packages will be getting installed when we are running this particular command. So please follow this tutorial, and here we'll learn how we can install the JDK and JIE both by using simple command, right? So let's wait for it to be downloaded, and please watch the full video and do not skip the video so that you can learn that each step why it is important and what it is telling to us, right? So please watch the video full. So earlier it was downloading the JIE. JIE is downloaded successfully. Now it is downloading the JDK. Let's wait for the JDK to be downloaded. And you do not need to be worried about separately installing the JIE and JDK, because this command will automatically download and install and set up the Java version or the JDK version on your system. So please follow this, and you will be learning how to install the Java for JDK very easily without any problem in the Ubuntu operating system. I will also make the video on the Windows operating system also, so that you can also learn that how you can install the latest JDK version in the Windows operating system. But for now, we are giving the video on the basis of Ubuntu operating system. So meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's wait for the file to be downloaded. It almost 77% is done. So now it is installing the unpackaging the packages that it downloaded while installing the commands. It is unpacking and setting up the path itself. We do not need to manually set up the path if we are using the Ubuntu. If we are using the Windows, we have to definitely set up the path separately. So that's why this is the power of a Linux operating system, that it help you just simply run the command and it will set up the system automatically. So the things has been downloaded and installed successfully. Let's check the version now. Let's see the Java is the command or not. So yes, the Java is command. It is accepting. Java C, it is also accepting the command. So means Java and Java C both are installed successfully. Means JDK and JIE is successfully installed in our Ubuntu operating system. Now, how we can check the version? So to ensure that which version of Java is being installed, for that you need to use Java hyphen version. It will show the JIE version. So and also if you have the JDK, it will show you that this particular JDK version is being installed. That is 22, right? And it is a 64-bit. And now if you want to check the Java C version, then you can check Java C version is also saying that Java C 22. So means JDK and JRE both versions are 22. So we have successfully installed JDK and JRE in this particular video. Please follow my tutorials, and these tutorials are basically I am making on so that you can learn Java from the scratch side. So thank you for watching my videos, guys. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye for now. Take care.